Welcome to CAD/CAM Legend. In this small clip, I will show you how can you make any of the face taper at certain angle by using the taper faces command. So right now I have this cube or rectangular cube, you can say, and I want to make this face or this face taper at a certain angle. So for that I will come to the modify, come downward, click on the solid editing, and here I will click on the taper faces. You can see right now. Once you click on the taper faces, so now either you can click on this face or any of the face that you want to make that taper. For example, this time I want to make this face taper. I will click on this face. Now I will press the enter key. Now either you can select the base point, this one, or the lower one. This time I'm going to select the lower one, my base point. Remember one thing here that is very helpful for you people to understand. For example, I selected the base point, the lower one, this one, and I'm going in this direction, so your taper will occur in this direction. Let me see, and I click over here, and this time I will enter A and assign the angle value of 45. See, and let me show another thing to you people. For example, the same thing I can do and the other direction as well. For example, I want to make this face taper in this direction, and I assign the value. Now you can see what I'm getting, 3DO, and you can see. So this is how you have to be careful while using taper faces command, and which direction and which axis you have to go so that to get the right taper position, and you can assign any of the angle value. So hopefully you understand the usage and the methodology of the taper faces command. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. Share with your friends so that they also take advantage of this video. Thanks for watching.